In this video we are going to be analysing ZS, so to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue upwards? So we have just broken through one of our resistance now support levels, and so if we continue this uptrend, really we expect to push really to this $200 psychological level, as well as our 198 first deviation resistance. Now if we are able to break it, and by break it we do mean not just go straight through it, but instead break through it, come back to retest it as support, and then if buying pressure kicks in, we can expect a push to 228. And the reason we want to see that retest is it shows it's not moving off hype. People have now taken some time to think about it, and so if it continues up, it should be a bit more stable. So if we push up to that 228, again we would look for that same pattern, a break above, come back to retest, and then we would be looking at a push to 265, then 280, and then really final levels at 330 and 395. Now onto the support side of things, what are we paying attention to if ZS starts to pull back? And as of right now, our closest support is $177.50, which is, like we said earlier, the resistance we just broke. So going into more of an intraday chart, we can see we did just break through it straight. We haven't come back to retest it. So if we're going to continue higher, we need to see a test back to this level either way. But this will also be key, because if we break through it, come back to retest it, and selling pressure kicks in, then we can see a push down to our next support level, which in this case isn't a standard deviation level, but instead the gap fill at around $155. So if you were holding the stock short, then this would really be our main target to be locking in profits. But if you want to see targets going even lower, what would we be paying attention to? We would be looking at $135 to around $125, because those would be our two statistical means on the 6-month and the yearly chart. Also do note as well, this is where our 52-week low is. You can see this is where a zone was created. So really this will be a key thing to be watching out for if we come down to that level. But if we break lower, then we're looking at $77/67. And then really a far off push would take us to around $25 and $2. So seeing those, obviously those are very far off. So as of right now, the key focus on ZS will be, can we come back to retest this 750, or really when will we come back to test this 177.50, because we will. And really then the main thing is, can we hold it? If so, expect a push to $200. If we can't, expect a retest and a push back down to around $155. And again, if we break this level, come back to see a retest, then we will expect a push at a minimum to $135, which is where we come into this key zone of support. And then this stock could be a good buying opportunity if it's something you're looking to take long bias. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on ZS. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.